you guys can see, there's a little bit of snow, but it's not too bad. Actually, for December, almost January, it's December 30 right now. We don't have a lot of snow on the ground. I just got here at my gym, just in the parking lot chilling. I don't think I did my intro yet. I just forgot how to do this. It's just been so long since I vlogged. So, hi YouTube, this is a day in my life. Right now it's 10:14. That was my workout, everybody. As you can see, I don't work out that long and I don't work out crazy. My workouts are good for me. It works for me, schedule wise and activities wise. So I'm just gonna go home now, get ready, eat, and we're out again. This is the problem when you have a military friend. When you say you'll pick him up at 10:30, he expects you to be there at 10:30. Do you guys see the snow? Snowing a little bit. Yo, what's good? You wanna say hey to the vlog?
What's up, vlog?
What's up, bro? How's school?
It's not bad, not bad. You got a whole rig, what the heck?
I had this for a long time. I'm just like getting back to it now. Those are twins, by the way. See you later, bro. How's life, man? Yeah, how are you? Good. Alright, let's go. I want some coffee first, though.
Coffee? Where?
Yeah.
Alright.
You got a little something for you. It's a reminder where you're gonna be. Oh, yo, that's crazy. I'll put this in my bag. It's so heavy, like when you're vlogging. And I wanted the DJI Osmo, you know that? Oh, yeah, the Pocket3, yeah. I was looking at that, but then it's not waterproof. You want anything here?
No, I had coffee already.
Alright. So like the DJI like 3, like brand new, is like, can I have a straw please? Is like almost like $1,000.
Yes.
But I was looking at the Insta360, right? Those are waterproof ones. I'm thinking getting both.
The winter tires?
Yeah. You're really like on time, right?
Bro, I got ready at friggin' 10.
So like what happens if like if I was in the military and I was like late for like even 1 minute? What happens to me?
You're late by 1 second.
I'm cooked.
So like, actually, if you're not 10 minutes early, it's at 10:30, right? If you're not there by 10:20,
yeah, that's considered late.
Yeah.
Oh, really? Our first stop is the bottle depot. Gas in my Costco. It's not bad. Well, I don't know, but like lately I've been just like filling up my tires like so much. Every time I come here at Costco, I fill it up. You guys want to know how much we paid for 3 items? $50. Yep, that's Canada for you. I mean, the creator combo is pretty good too. This is what I wanted.
Oh shit.
Yeah, you just flip it. You can go like sideways, and it will just like start. You can start like vlogging. So the creator combo is like 929. Alright, did I get this? Yes. 900 bucks. Where are we going? To the mall. Get some food.
It's serving.
Yeah, look at that board. Yeah, you can't have it. It's 24 after 6 right now. I just woke up from a nap. I showered, did my routine, and I did my evening devotion. So right now I'm just gonna chill and continue editing, and we might go snowboarding tomorrow. I'm not sure yet, but I will get my stuff ready for that. I just got a Teo delivery. It's like 7 p.m. right now, and I think this is like the latest I've got a deliver from. But just like always, when something comes, I'm opening it. Believe it or not, I actually got this for like $40. Everything that's in here. Oh, so a lot of beanies. Start with this one first. Not bad. That's not bad. Why did I even buy this for? These are comfy though, I'm not gonna lie. I'm kind of rocking this one. This one's not too bad. They're all kind of like the same size. This, I like. Alright, so I got everything ready. My goggles, my helmet. So now I'm just gonna make my lunch because I'm not paying 25 bucks for a burger over there. I have some leftover steak and some mashed potato. It's about 7:30 in the evening, and I don't have anything more planned other than just to rest up and get ready for the day tomorrow. This is basically a day in my life looks like. Just pretty chill, nothing too crazy. But I can't wait to bring you guys to our snowboarding day tomorrow. We'll have fun. So I'll see you guys tomorrow.